Google's Nano Banana Pro just dropped, and the results are unlike anything we've seen before. This is essentially Gemini 3 Pro for image generation, and after testing it against the top image models, the gap is massive. Let me show you how to use it first, then we'll see exactly how it compares. The quickest free way is through the Gemini app. Log in, click Create Image, and it automatically uses Nano Banana Pro. All free generations are 1K resolution at 16:9 aspect ratio with a small Gemini watermark. For more control, use Google AI Studio. You can adjust creativity settings, choose different aspect ratios, and generate up to 4K resolution. However, this requires a paid API key. Third-party platforms like Lovart, WaveSpeed AI, and Higgsfield have also added Nano Banana Pro. Lovart currently offers free access with aspect ratio options but limited to 1K resolution. Now that you know where to find it, let me show you why this model is in a completely different league. I tested generating 10 celebrities in one group photo: Johnny Depp, Jackie Chan, Taylor Swift, Tom Hanks, The Rock, Michael Jackson, Oprah, Blackpink, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Elon Musk taking a selfie together. Nano Banana Pro nailed every single person. Jackie Chan looks like Jackie Chan, which previous models consistently failed at. The Rock, Taylor Swift, Blackpink, all recognizable and consistent in one image without uploading any reference photos. Compare this to Imagen 4 Ultra, which refuses to generate celebrities entirely. Nano Banana 1 produced results where half the people looked completely wrong. Tom Hanks didn't look like Tom Hanks. The Rock barely resembled himself. For fictional characters, I tested Emilia from ReZero, Gojo, Nezuko, Keroro Gunso, Kenny from South Park, Bart Simpson, and Snow White in a selfie. Nano Banana Pro got the outfits and character designs correct, including Emilia's specific outfit that almost every other model gets wrong. Imagen 4 generated Cartman instead of Kenny and created a random frog instead of Keroro Gunso. The character fidelity gap is enormous. Here's where Nano Banana Pro gets truly impressive. I uploaded a table of benchmark data and asked it to create a bar graph. Within seconds, it generated an accurate graph with correct numbers, proper labels, and even separated the data into the right categories. No other image model came close. This isn't a coding agent, it's an image generator understanding data visualization. For sprite sheet generation, I prompted a fire mage shooting a fireball across 8 frames. Nano Banana Pro produced consistent character animation frames that actually work when compiled into an animation. Previous models generated incoherent frames that don't connect. Game developers can now generate usable sprite animations directly from prompts. I uploaded an old pixelated screenshot from the original Final Fantasy VII and asked for a faithful remaster. Nano Banana Pro transformed Cloud and Sephiroth into detailed realistic characters while maintaining their designs. Qwen ImageEdit kept everything pixelated with messed up faces. Someone could genuinely create game remasters with this tool. I uploaded an apartment photo and asked for a 2D floor plan. Nano Banana Pro generated an accurate layout showing the curved sofa, kitchen placement, bedroom location, and room proportions. The other image editors couldn't produce anything recognizable as a floor plan. Testing coordinates from Google Maps, I fed random Hong Kong coordinates and asked for a photo of that location. Nano Banana Pro generated an accurate street view of that specific building with correct surrounding skyscrapers. The other models just produced generic Hong Kong streets with no location accuracy. Clock time remains impossible. I asked for 11:15 on a clock with a wine glass filled to the top. The wine glass was perfect, but the clock time was completely wrong. Despite understanding complex neural network code, generating accurate clock faces still trips up even Nano Banana Pro. For small text preservation, I tested product photos with detailed text. Even at 4K resolution, small text becomes gibberish. If your use case requires transferring tiny text from reference images, this limitation remains. Rare species recognition is also weak. The Sri Lanka slow loris came out as a generic loris rather than the specific thin species, though still better than other models that generated completely wrong animals. Across character recognition, technical understanding, practical applications, and spatial reasoning, Nano Banana Pro dominates every comparison. The gap between this and Imagen 4 Ultra or the original Nano Banana is massive. For image generation and editing, nothing else currently competes with Nano Banana Pro. The capabilities demonstrated here would have seemed impossible just months ago. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Drop a comment letting me know what you test with Nano Banana Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.